YouTube, what's good, man? Hey, look, y'all. I know y'all see the title of the video. I know y'all see the thumbnail, man. Look, we here with a part 3 on this Cumber prank videos, y'all. Y'all been going crazy with these videos. Y'all know y'all been fucking with it. Y'all been loving it. Y'all been showing love. The views, the likes, the comments. Y'all just fucking with it, man. So I'm here bringing y'all part 3, y'all. Now, look, y'all, before the video starts, we do got some new shit added to the channel, y'all. Y'all, we got a Facebook. We got a second channel, and we got a Patreon, y'all. Go ahead and give me a round of applause. Go ahead, you feel me? Y'all know I'm back on my shit. Suave back on this grind. You know I'm back in that mode, y'all. But y'all, we came out with 3 new platforms, y'all. So we on Facebook now, we on Patreon, and we got a second vlog channel, y'all. Y'all, that second vlog channel gonna have it all the behind the scenes, all the funny shit that goes on while we filming the videos, and just when we all together, you know, me and the gang and shit, y'all. Now the Patreon, man, look, Patreon is going for $3.99 a month, y'all. Y'all don't want to go ahead and miss out. That's all the behind the scenes, all the exclusive content, all the content that y'all don't get to see, that I don't get to post on YouTube, because they'll go ahead and give me a yellow mark. Fuck it. All the exclusive shit I post on Patreon, y'all really not gonna be able to see it, because if I was posting on here, then I'd get red flag for that shit. They take the video down, all types of shit. Go ahead and subscribe to my Patreon for $3.99 a month. All the exclusive content we do with the girls, y'all know how we get down. Don't want to miss out. It's gonna be real lit content, funny, exclusive. It's giving OnlyFans type vibe now, y'all. Look, when I say OnlyFans, I don't mean no crazy shit. It might be some crazy shit on there, but you're gonna have to subscribe to find out. Hey, look, I'm done talking. Go ahead and subscribe to find out. I ain't gonna say too much. Just know we lit on there, man. For whoever subscribed to my Patreon, y'all doing the right thing. Y'all blessing y'all eyes, y'all blessing y'all day, man. Go ahead and subscribe to my Patreon, man. Only $3.99 a month. Go ahead and fuck with my vlog channel, the Patreon, and the Facebook, y'all. We lit, we get into it, man. Hey, and look, if y'all want to go ahead and win a little $750 on Cash App, go ahead and click the link in the description down below. Look, I cashed out a couple of the people in the gang. You feel me? We all got right with a little $750. So look, if y'all want y'all $750 Cash App, go ahead and click the link in the description down below. Fill out the survey, and look, y'all blessed with a little $750. You're welcome. Y'all, in today's video, y'all, I brought a special guest back in this vid. Y'all tell me in the comments, I need to do more vids with her. I need to run up more vids with her. I need to put her in more pranks, all that, y'all. So y'all, I went ahead and brought Hood Girl back on the channel, y'all. But look, why not bring funny ass Hood Girl that y'all love, bring the Cumber prank into this together. So y'all, in today's video, we putting the Cumber prank on the Hood Girl. This shit about to be funny, cause I already know that's a funny ass girl, man. Her reactions be priceless, man. Go ahead and run this up for part 4. Don't forget to like, comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Subscribe to my Patreon, my Facebook, and my second vlog channel. Y'all know how we get down, man. Let's go ahead and let's get to this video. We out.
What is you doing? Why is you eating chips, bruh? You talking about you want to get fit, you eating chips and shit? What this is?
It's a workout.
Huh? No, bruh. You got all types of snacks too. You got iced oatmeal cookies. Why this shit greasy? What the fuck you got going on? I'm not putting them away. Fuck you mean where I'm going with them?
Right, you not check that.
Huh? Nah. Come on, you talking about you want to get fit. Man, put the Pringles away, bruh. What you got going on? Put them shits away. No, over there. Over there where you can't see them, girl. Come on. We're gonna start off with the 20s. You already big, we gonna get you swole. So get on the ball.
I'm used to doing it.
Nah, come on, bruh. Alright, look, so you gonna get on your back. Your shirt dirty as fuck. Get on your back. Yeah, just like no. You gotta get your back. You gotta sit on the thing like this. Come on. What is you doing? Alright, now for real. Look, you don't gotta you gotta put your back on the ball right here.
Okay.
Come on, no, let me show you.
My back.
Just like this, girl. You got it. Like this. Look, pass me the 20s. Come on, pass me the 20s. Look, you gonna grab, pass me the other one too. Come on. What you got going on? The fuck? You gonna go like this, you gonna go 1, 2, 3. What you laughing at?
No, this is good.
Your breath smell like Pringles and shit. You gonna go 1, 2. See, look, I'm a little skinny, but that shit get thrown up. Alright, bet. So look, you gonna. Come on. Put your hands out. That's 1.
Friend.
Here's another one. Come on.
Friend.
What happened? Lift that. Come on, girl. Come on, bro. You can't be serious right now, bro.
What?
Alright, come on. I'm finna give you something. Let's wait. Come on.
Friend, you gotta stop it.
Stop what?
Whatever you doing, you gotta stop it.
Stop what? Alright, come on. I'm finna give you. This shit heavy for you too? If I drop it on your ass. You got that?
A little bit.
Alright, yeah. This one too. Look, put your knees like this, girl, so you can stable yourself. Come on, look. You gotta carry it like this, like this. Come on. Come on, like what you got going on? What you waiting on?
I'm distracted.
Huh? There you go, 1. Come on, you strong. Don't bang your head on that shit.
I'm trying to help.
Come on.
Right up.
1. That's 1. The fuck you looking at? That's 1.
Keep staring at me.
What? 2. You gotta carry it like this. Man, what the fuck you looking at, bruh?
Friend, you gotta stop that, man.
Stop what?
What's that?
What's what?
Let's go. Let's go.
I gotta show you how to do things. Like this, okay? And then you going 1.
You gonna club my fucking head, boy.
You got 1. Come on. 2. Keep going. Keep.
Can you get on my face?
I ain't in your face.
Yes, you is.
I'm not in your face.
You and it is watching me.
Don't start. There you go, start with that bullshit.
Stop that, friend. For real. Whatever you doing, you gotta stop. Do something. Let's do something else.
Go ahead. All right, so look.
Something else, yeah.
Look. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna poke your shit out like this, right?
You don't need to do no more poking.
You're gonna squat, you're gonna poke. So, squat, poke. You can do that? Look. This 1. What is you looking at, bro? Stop looking at me. Look, spread your legs. Like this, look. 1 leg right here, 1 leg right here. Come on. What you got going on? 1. Poke. 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 You trying to get fit or what? What's up with you?
All the muscles in the bones. In the bones.
Like a fucking. Stop looking crazy, man.
You looking crazy. Friend, that is not you. That's you.
What?
That's not
That.
you. That's not you.
Huh?
That's not you. That's not you. That can't be you.
Look, you can't be distracted, alright? I know you dog, but you can't be distracted.
That's not you.
When I'm working people out,
That's not you.
see how you want to get fit and skinny like me?
Yeah, that's not you.
When I get people right, they don't be distracted.
That's not you.
I can't have you being distracted. Alright, so
Well, I don't know who's teaching me, you or that.
Huh?
What's teaching me, you or that?
Man, focus.
I'm trusting me, baby. I'm focused.
Alright, you know what? We're going on the next one. Stop.
What the big thing there? You need equipment.
Come on, look. So you gonna pull yourself up. Stop, but I'm gonna smack you in the back of the head.
Go ahead.
Come on, look. You gonna one. That's one, right? You go two. Try and get that shit done. Go ahead. This one right here.
Who?
Get your ghetto ass up there. Come on, act like you ain't never jumped a fence before. I know you jumped a fence before. Come on. From the hood, ain't you?
Yeah, but that's back in the day. I let that shit go.
Huh?
That was back in the day. I let that go.
Alright, use this one. Don't break it though.
Bitch.
Pull yourself up.
Triple X.
Stop. Pull yourself up.
Like this. Don't man, that's the motherfucking.
Alright, come on. Come on. Yeah, get the big one. I'll get the small one. Stop doing all that playing, man. Come on.
Brian, you got too much going on. This is supposed to be a workout.
Yes.
And you got that big ass sausage sitting in your pants.
Huh?
That big ass sausage in your pants. I always thought you had a little one.
I know, you thought wrong, dummy. So look, this is what we're gonna do.
What do you do?
I know you need to get flexible. So look, you need to stretch your back a little bit more. So look, put the ball under your back, and you just gonna roll it back and forth. Alright, so I'm gonna do 5, then you gonna do 5. So look, I'm trying to hold it back.
Right, I'm here to protect you.
Don't do all that, alright? Don't
Alright.
be doing all that extra shit.
Okay.
That's 1.
One.
What you got going on?
You said workout. It's a workout. Working out my leg.
You not working out, you doing dumb
This
shit.
is working out my leg. Look, you wasn't done.
Huh?
You only did one.
Cause you acting dumb, I ain't gonna keep
You
doing
only
it.
did one.
You playing, I'm trying to work you out
You
for real.
got that
acting
big
dumb.
ass sausage in people's faces.
Huh?
Let's go.
What you gonna do next? You gonna stretch it, you gonna stretch your legs out, and then you gonna stretch this motherfucker right here like this. You not doing nothing I'm doing.
It's clean.
Huh?
When you do that, I'm scratching from the lower body.
You gotta get up and stretch your leg, girl.
It's quick.
No, you gotta stretch this part of the leg.
I like it here.
Get up, bruh.
Stretch it. Go ahead.
Huh? What you got going on, bruh?
That shit. That's good. Go ahead. Nothing. Go ahead.
Get serious, bruh. Playing too much, come on. Alright, nah. Stretch your back.
Listen.
Stretch your back. I'm gonna kick the shit out you. You gonna fall on your ass. Go ahead. Put your back on it. What? Don't be eating no chips. No, don't. Man, why is we eating chips? No more.
Please. So basically, when I work out, this is what you do.
What you do, bro?
You get 3 chips.
I know you're not serious right now.
So this is the workout. 1, 2, 3.
If you don't get your dirty ass on, come on, man. I know you're not serious. Put them shits away, come on. What you need is some motherfucking water. Come on, you gotta stretch, Stop doing that. I'm gonna whack your ass in the back of the head again. Come on, stand up. Huh? Why you pointing down there? Come on.
Shit big, fam.
Stand up. Stop. What you got going on? Stand up. Stand up.
Frank, you only got it.
I'm gonna whack your ass with this bottle. Stop playing.
Come on, you gonna tell me what's up, girl?
Stand up.
You probably just left out.
What you got going on, bruh?
Well, you got it. It's a stretch.
Your
Look.
breast smelling like Cheetos and shit.
I don't give a fuck. Let's go.
Destiny, I'm gonna whack your ass in the back of the head and keep playing.
This is the workout. The ball is just twisting your way. See right here? Like lay back how you was laying back.
Damn, bro, that shit. Watch out now. I don't know. That stance you in look like you about to do some stupid shit.
I wasn't. Just get on the ball so I can show you. So when you relax, it's like all over the muscles. It's all over the muscles.
Watch out. They got the
Oh, that
throw
should
workout.
look like this.
Watch out. All right. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing all that. I'm gonna whack
How fast you
you.
wanna go? 1, 2.
Keep playing. Watch. Stop. Do a squat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But without the ball, bro.
13, 14, 15,
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out, bro. Girl, get up and turn around. Face me. No, up. Back up. Destiny, back up. Back up more. Back up that way.
Friend, that is too big, man. Ain't no.
Stop.
Cause, friend, why is it almost touching your knee? You on steroids?
Nah, I ain't on no steroids. I look like I take steroids?
It gotta be. Cause ain't no way in hell your thing that big, boy.
Too skinny to be taking steroids.
It's like 5 in the morning, bruh. Nigga high as fuck right now.